Hello, in this video I will show you how to open CSV files at your PC. The first point which I would like to talk about is the next. Generally people open CSV files through Microsoft Excel, but Microsoft Excel is not the best solution for doing it. And the best software, open source and free software, is LibreOffice. How to download it? Go to Google, type LibreOffice, press search, and open LibreOffice website. Press download page and download LibreOffice for your operation system. There are a lot of operation systems supported: Windows, macOS, and Linux, of course. So you could select necessary for you. When software will be downloaded and installed by you, you could open CSV file, and I will show you how to do it correctly, because not all people know how to open CSV files in different formats. I remind you that LibreOffice is open source and free software. Okay, and I will show you how to do it correctly. For example, I have a very big CSV file. The size of this file is more than 320 megabytes. So I will do opening this file right now. The first I press it at my CSV file, and what I have to do. As you know, or maybe you do not know, but CSV file has two main features all times. The first feature is separator, and we have to define separator inside OpenOffice. This dialog is from OpenOffice. And in our case, as you see, separator is semicolon. Wow, I push it and OpenOffice showed me in the view the data parsed correctly. And the second main feature is char set. You have to define a char set. By default, the best way for setup char set is Unicode UTF-8 char set. Select it and define. Language does not matter. Okay, and the second main feature is text delimiter. In our case is this sign. Yeah, just leave it here and all will be okay. Now we defined three main points. We set up char set, we set up separate options, and we defined text delimiter, and I press OK. And OpenOffice started to parse file. File is big. OpenOffice will necessary for OpenOffice some time to process it correctly, but it will do it. Just wait it. You see that we have progress in the bottom of OpenOffice application, and just let's wait when process will be finished. Why I don't recommend Excel? Because Excel does not allow you to set up this data quickly. It's necessary to use special text import functions to import data into Excel correctly. And of course, Excel is a paid software. It's not free, and I recommend to use LibreOffice. Okay, let's wait. You see that OpenOffice finished this file opened, and now you could process data as you need. You see category name, subcategory name, product name, features, tail, mob, qualification, etc. all in this file. That's all. Thank you. Bye. If any, call me please.